Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. Thanks for tuning in today. We're going to do a virtual walkthrough with me so I can demonstrate the house. This is a great, awesome cottagey type house located here in Malvern, which is at Lake Mohawk. Gated community, man-made, spring-fed lake. It's awesome, unlimited speed, so you have a lot of opportunities here. So it's basically your winter and summer paradise in Wonderland. So it's a great little property. 4 bedrooms, so you have 2 on the first floor, 2 on the lower level with an egress. The house is open and charming. I'm going to show you in about 2 seconds. The address is 60 Pontiac Trl, Malvern, Ohio, 44644. This is a wonderful, could be a second home or first home. You can find it with GPS. It's a gated community, so keep in mind you have to go through the gate to get in. So let me show you the house. All right, so we have, what's unusual about here at Mohawk is the parking situation. So if you can see here, there's lots of concrete. There's 2 cars in the drive now and plenty more, and it's pretty level. It's a maintenance-free exterior with shingles and a few other elements, a wraparound front porch and a side porch, which I'll show you here in a second. So when you walk in the front door here, you have like a laminate type product. It looks like tile, but it's not really tile, but it's nice. You have a front closet straight ahead, and here to the right goes to an attached 1-car garage. Now when you walk in, you're in like a great room. You step down 1 little step, and then you got the wraparound porch, which you can see out the windows. And there's a lot of access points to get outside. Which is nice is this is all open. So again, if you look at the front door here, so you come in the front door, there's the garage, front closet, big old TV on the wall, right? And so this is a nice little great room open to the kitchen and eating area. So let's take a look at these areas. The colors are blue, taupe, and white, a lot of wood trim detail. Light in color, neutral, very up to date. First access point after the front door is the side doors that go out to the side of the property. And then let's take a look here at the kitchen. So you have a wonderful tile backsplash. You can see that with some accents. I'm going to get a little closer so you can see that. Let's get a little bit closer so you can see the subway tile. The granite, you can see the variations of grays, blacks, taupe, and white. Okay, and then you have stainless steel appliances here. A second access point after the front door and the side door goes to a large deck. But you can see here, now again, the floor looks like tile, which I'm going to show you, but it's a laminate product like the foyer. You can take a look at that real close so you can see the colors, grays, taupes. It's really a nice blend. Whoever decorated this house did a really fine job. Lots of natural light coming in. I don't know if you can tell by the camera, but it's very cool. Okay. So if you're at the kitchen window doing dishes, this is the view out the window. Let's see, take a look. So you have some trees there to give you a little bit of privacy. All right, and then let's peek out this door here. We'll go out back in a minute, but straight ahead, you could see there's a nice big deck, and actually you have an access point off the master, and then there's a fire pit out beyond here, which we'll see in a minute, and then the lake is beyond that. All right, let's take a walk through the rest of the house. Again, we're standing here in the kitchen, so you get an understanding that this is open. It's a large kitchen with updated appliances. All the colors are sweet. Okay, big dining room area. It's open again into the great room and then out to the front. All right, so let's take a look at the bathroom right here. So you have a tub shower combo, a large linen closet. Here's a window here. So this is the other part of the deck. I mean, this thing goes on and on. Check it out. Okay. All right, and then you have double sinks with, again, that nice granite countertop. Give you kind of a peek at that. Okay, very bright, nice decor, pretty colors. The laminate floor is the same as the kitchen and foyer, if you want to take a look at that again. It's really nice. The exterior is maintenance free. Nice open hallway to the bedrooms. All right, so this would really be the master bedroom in my opinion. Nice greenish color with tote back accents. TV on the wall, large closets. Now here's another access point. So this would be like number 3. So you could see the fire pit a little bit. Let me see if I can get you up to see that. Again, deck. So if you're on your master, you can go out here and sit, have a cup of tea, glass of wine. A lot of natural light coming in, which is glaring the camera a little bit, but you get the gist of it. Okay. Let's continue on to bedroom number 2. Wait, let's peek in this closet, see what we're going to find. Lots of clothes. It's a double closet. All right. Here's another bedroom. Good closet. Now these bedrooms have carpeting, just basically like a taupish, grayish, off-white. The colors are awesome, by the way. Look at this white trim. But this is the hallway leading to the bedroom, so it's pretty spacious. I forgot to show you the laundry. Let's go back to the bathroom again. So what's nice about this is you got a good sized bedroom to the left here, or I'm sorry, to the right, and then your tub shower, and then this would be your efficient laundry area. So this is nice. So you got first floor laundry, pretty much. Bifold doors. Of course, you have a basement too with 2 more bedrooms, which we're going to see here in a second. All right, let's go check it out. All right. So now keep in mind we're packing here, so you're going to see some extra items, but just disregard. So we're going down the basement. So the first part of the basement I want to show you is basically unfinished, and it's plenty of storage, which you're going to see here in a second. All right. So here we are. Just cinder block walls, high ceilings. Okay. This is set up like just a little play area, but this is really storage. Now let me show you, there's another full bathroom here. So this is a lower level. So you have a tub shower combo here. And of course, double sinks. All right, now we're going to look at the bedroom for a second. So you see the bedroom down here has an egress, so you can safely get out of those windows. They're large, as much as a normal size window. Good sized bedroom with, of course, closet here. This one has bunk beds and another egress. A closet here to the left. Okay. There's your window. So you can get out of here safely. All right, so 2 bedrooms up, 2 bedrooms down, full bath. Let me show you over here the furnace. So this is a high efficiency furnace right here. You see the white pipes, that's what that represents. And then of course you got air conditioning right here. Electric 40-gallon water heater, which is nice. Now this system here means that it was mitigated for radon, so we don't have any radon to deal with. That's what that's all about. And when you come in here, you see all these blue and red hoses. This is called a Peck system, which is really nice about a Peck system if you've never seen one, because you know a lot of times you'd see copper plumbing or plastic and that kind of thing. What's nice about this is it has individual shutoffs for the cold, for the hot, and each thing is labeled. So if I have to change a faucet in the washer, the cold water in the washing machine, I just shut this off, go up and change it. This up here is a filtering system for your house. See those? Okay, and then when you see this breaker box to the right are the black wires. That would be your cable, and telephone would be right here. And then your electric box, that thick wire, that gray wire coming in, that's a 200 amp service. Plus you have extra spaces in your box if you choose to add a hot tub or something like that. So the Peck system is really nice. You also have a little wash tub, or a slop sink I call it, when you do painting and stuff. But yeah, plenty of room here. And then of course you have a closet over here to the left, the bedrooms, storage under the steps. All right, so let's go back upstairs. Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you taking a look at the Lake Mohawk property. I'm going to give you one quick peek here as we wrap up. So when we were pointing out the access points here, you could see, but this is a very large deck, great for entertaining. And of course you got a nice little fire pit circle, nice yard situation. Now I don't know if you can tell, but forward you can see there's water in the background. So you're pretty close to the lake. You have to get on the list for a dock, but I think besides that it's going to be a great little place to have a great lifestyle. So I wanted to say thanks for tuning in. My name's Dominic Fonte. If you'd like to see this tour or other tours, you can go to dominicfonte.com. You can reach me at 330-418-1535, or you can send me an email at dominic@dominicfonte.com. Thank you.